Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Total inspections today were carried out was 65 inspections we had carried out, and we have made a total seizures of 20 cases were booked against the traders who were violating the provisions of the Legal Metrology Act and rules. Coming to the PC cases, a total of 3 PC cases were booked. 2 PC cases were booked against one metal and home appliances trader, in which he had products without the mandatory declarations. This inspection was carried out under the guidance of our controller, Mr. Prasad Shirodkar, Mr. Arun Panchwadkar, Assistant Controller, Central Zone, and with all the help of assistance of our legal metrology team. Such type of inspections will be carried out from time to time and in days to come.